Bitcoin hoodie guy coming back with another Kaspa video. Win all-time highs. We are getting so close, my friends. Coin market cap. You can see Bitcoin's back up over 52K. Kaspa was getting close to let's see, going hitting back over 15 cents. There it is, right back over 15 cents. 15 cents there. So it's getting close, my friends. Right here, even on crypto rank, it's showing 15 cents. There you can see a couple green candles. Right here, it's showing maybe a little over. This is saying the all-time high was 15.3 cents. And this is showing maybe just a hair over 15 cents. So we're right there, my friends. We're real close. Right here, showing over 15 cents. Pulling back down. You can see hash rate's looking good, 173. We'll check out the addresses here in a second. All-time hash rate. Update this. This was a couple hours ago, 170. So overall, hash rate's looking good. Addresses are creeping back on up there. 310,000, almost 311,000. So yeah, we're looking good. The coolest thing right now, if you step back and you think about it, is that pretty much almost every single person that owns Kaspa is in profit or at least break even. There's just for right now, for someone to not be up on Kaspa, they'd have had to bought at 50, basically the all-time highs, and never bought anything under that at all. So most likely if someone did buy at 15.3 cents and it went down to 10 cents, they probably added some more. So for the most part, everyone's in profit, and you can see that there's a couple people that bought here, just wicked up there. So we're actually getting these candles that are staying up there. So that's pretty cool. When you zoom out, you have cryptocurrency where pretty much everyone is in profit at this point. My average cost is like 6.5 cents. Things are looking good right now. You can see that the Bitcoin ETFs, they're just buying more and more. And I don't know if the United States and China are going to hold on to their Bitcoin, but when you go to Bitcoin treasuries, and that's like the overall macroeconomic, crypto conditions. But, Bitcoin kind of is leading the charge, and, things like Kaspa will do its own thing. So it's pretty cool to see right now, though. Bitcoin's leading the charge, and Kaspa, is held its own through thick and thin. Miners wanting to take some profit, whatever. I mean, it went from 5 cents to 15 cents pretty quick, and a couple times it wicked down under that. And then here, it did get under 10 cents for a little bit, but now we're racing back to new all-time highs. You can see that it was November 18th, so it's been a few months. 3 months, and we're really primed right now to break out and get that new all-time high. Just just a couple tenths of a penny and we're there. Right here, let's see, we're just 2/10 of a penny from the all-time high. So that's pretty amazing. Let's go back here. So we're down, it's down 2% from its all-time high. So you have an altcoin that has got a lot of cool stuff coming, and the biggest catalyst for Kaspa haven't even come to fruition. Tier 1 exchange listings, things like that. The 10 blocks per second going to the main net. Biggest is the once it gets those tier 1 exchange listings. And so I think it's pretty exciting times. Not financial advice. We're in the midst of a nice bull market, and we're gonna have ups and downs. But overall, I think the next year and a half, somewhere around there, every project tends to peak at at a different time. But you can see here on crypto rank, Kaspa's up to 34, and what is it on coin market cap? 31. So we're back almost into the top 30. It did get back up in there, but there's just so much fluctuating. $3.4 billion market cap, and so it's pretty exciting. We're really getting close to getting to that new all-time high, and then it's off to the races. And then it'll go up, and you're going to see another pullback, and then overall pull back up, if you look, look at the chart here, I mean, pullbacks up, went up, pullback up, and then we had a pretty big pullback. And yep, let's see, it's showing that right now it says right here it's showing 15,306, which would be pretty much right at the all-time high. So sometimes with a different, we can pop over to CoinGecko and see if they're showing anything different. But let's see. Here is a good chart to see the Bitcoin when you're just kind of bringing that in to look at the macroeconomic conditions. Whoops. Where's that? Go to CoinGecko here, but you can see right here, what's going on here? MicroStrategy's got 1%, Grayscale, and then you got, the BlackRock, Fidelity, those ETFs. Governments down here, basically, United States has 1%, China's got 1%, UK 61,000, Germany 50,000. Obviously, MicroStrategy. You got the private companies, Block One, Mount Gox. I don't know when those are ever going to get distributed. You hear about it all the time. There's just not enough Bitcoin to go around. That's leading the charge. When you got big money flowing into Bitcoin, people are looking at altcoins. Yep, it's 15.2 right there, 15.22. So we're right on the cusp of getting here to a new all-time high for Kaspa. Let's see what CoinGecko says here. CoinGecko is showing 15.16. Just go down here. It's showing 15.27 is the all-time high, down 2.6%. So we're right there. So that it's just pretty cool that that you can be bullish on something, and it's not something like that still needs to get, to do a 2x to get back to all-time highs. We're right there. So a lot of exciting things ongoing. This guy's Kaspa adoption. What people fear most when investing in Kaspa is its adoptions. Yeah, long term, but for this next bull run, adoption doesn't really matter that much. It's narratives, and getting the listings on CoinMarketCap, places like that. When you go to the markets, getting those Binance or Coinbase, Gemini, getting those tier 1 exchange listings will be a big catalyst. So yeah, let's go. Vinny T, thanks for taking in. Breakout. Woohoo. We're ripping out. Yep, we're really close there. Real close. We're right on the cusp of getting to that. I mean, CoinGecko is saying that it's 15.27 and 15.3 right there. So we're pretty much right there at the new all-time high. I'd think that if it really gets up to 15.4 cents, obviously it'd be nice to get to 16 cents, but basically right there at 15.3, basically on CoinGecko, that could be showing as the new all-time high. Let's just see what it's showing on CoinGecko. It's always kind of fun. I wasn't expecting it to hit the all-time high during this stream. Is this saying 15.27? So 3 months ago, yeah. Let's see. Sometimes between crypto rank, coin market cap, and let's see what. Go back to this overall page, 15.3. We're right there. We're right there, my friends. So it's now that's kind of showing 15.34. So it might have trickled a little above that. 1.53. Yep, we're right there. Kaspa will flip Bitcoin only a matter of time. Yeah, I don't think that's going to happen this cycle, but maybe the next cycle. This cycle there's too far for it to go. But if everything falls into place and it starts getting the 10 blocks per second or more, there we are, 15.34. Woo! That's got to be the new all-time highs. Sometimes it's kind of tricky when you're looking at it's getting, for sure, according to the data here on CoinGecko and the crypto rank, it's showing that it should be the new all-time high now. at 15.34, which we're just talking tenths of a cent, but still that matters. And then, once it hits 16 cents, so yeah, that might take time for that to update, but we're right there. We're pumping. Oh yeah, we like that. Let's go, people. Vinny T in here. Yeah, we're right there on the cusp. I need to get this over to the dark mode. There we go. Get this over to the dark mode. It's either you're a CoinGecko person or CoinMarketCap. I typically go to CoinMarketCap, but so here we are, just right there, new all-time highs basically. Sometimes that 15.33 there, so it should be showing. Right now it is above what CoinGecko was showing, 15.27. So that's a beautiful thing to see. There's a lot of time people were, some people might have got scared off. Some people were building their bags, or they're just holding strong diamond hands through this whole time. You had some big wicks down here when it wicked down to 7.5 cents. Good luck buying down there. I don't think it was down there for very long. I don't. We were smart enough. This ain't luck in this strategy. Pete Mueller, German too. So we got some people from Germany trading in. I'm on TradingView CoinX. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. And so, yeah, there we are. We're looking good, my friends. A couple nice green candles. And yeah, we're basically right there at just setting new all-time highs. So Kaspa was back into price discovery as the overall market conditions are heating up. You have big inflows coming in. Like someone was pointing out, now MicroStrategy is using money. They either borrowed money they raised from selling shares, but in 4 years, MicroStrategy got 190,000. And here between iShares, which is the BlackRock ETF, and Fidelity, yeah, it's other people's money, but combined, those have more than MicroStrategy now. So that was in 4 years, 3 weeks. So a lot of people, and that's net, positive for Kaspa, because someone's coming in and maybe someone gets sucked into Bitcoin for the first time. And then they start going, hey, what else is here in the cryptocurrency market landscape? And then bam, they're at 29. Right here, they're showing 15.83. So right there, we're getting close to 15.5 cents. And so I think by every metric, we are at the new all-time high. Now, it's tricky looking back at some of the kind of the old history. Let's see what some people are saying. Yep. Looks like a good, nice weekend incoming. 50x long since 10 cents. Let's go. Golden XBT. Wow, that's working out beautiful for you, my friend. 10x long since 10 cents. That's already up 50% right there. And looks like it's not going to be slowing down anytime soon. Never know the future, but just like I've been saying a lot, you got the hash rate and it's fluctuating, but overall it's continually going up. And holders did go up, pulled back, but now it's starting to work its way back up. You got kind of the paper hands out of there, maybe people consolidating some wallets. And when you have something moving like this, it gets new eyeballs on it, cracking into the top 30. But there's a lot of eyeballs on there. There's a lot of people, some of the bigger dogs that don't talk about it as much, but I'm sure they've been paying attention to it. There's just too much going on for Kaspa. And then you just got some big catalysts on the way for this bull run, and the next bull run after this, when you're looking at what, 2028, 2029, that's going to be a whole different ball game, but for this 2024, 2025 bull run, we're geared up, and it's not going to flip Bitcoin, maybe something down the road, but this one, that's too far to go. But maybe in the future something like that can happen, but we don't even need that in the short term. And depends on, maybe you're going to hold it through this cycle. But it's going to be exciting times like this, and you ride these waves up, and there's people that were, people have been building their bags for a long time. And a lot of people Some people were getting under a penny. My first mess around with Caspa was about 7/10 of a penny. I had like a 2x, 2.5x, and then I took some profit, and then I didn't really get back into 5 cents, and then had about a 6.5 cent average. And there's probably a lot of people in that 1 to 5 cent range that were accumulating a lot. And then even people that a lot of people could pick it up around 10 to 12 cents here the last couple months, and that was a gift. So sometimes when you get these pullbacks, it's not as fun. So like say we go up to 25 cents and it pulls back. Well, if you're, looking to get more Caspa, then it's a blessing. So sometimes price going sideways, price going down a little bit is a blessing in disguise. And it gears you up. And basically a lot of the positions we've taken and whatever it was, whether it's Caspa, Bitcoin, or whatever, it's the positions that we were taking last year, is what's really going to pay off in this bull run. So I think that's all I got for today. Exciting times. I think basically we're kind of right at setting new all-time highs. I didn't think it was going to happen when I jumped on this live stream, but we're right there. It looks like it got up to about 15.38 cents. And according to what I'm seeing, that looks like the new all-time high. And I think it's getting up 15.4. So I think that we're going to be, this might have a chance to go to 16 cents here. And I don't know, maybe it'll keep ripping through the weekend. So let me know how far you can go now that Casp was back into the new price discovery. And good luck, man. Yep, Shaker 2010. So thanks for watching. Let's stay bullish, my friends, and stay safe out there. Let's enjoy the bull run and keep your head on a swivel. And let's ride this wave. Thanks for watching.